Hi, welcome to Charlie's Cooking Show. What are you going to make today, Charlie?
Chicken.
Chicken what? Spicy chicken or just chicken salt chicken, air fried?
Air fried chicken.
Okay, so what do we do first? Put the chicken in the bowl? I'll help you hold the bowl for you. Okay, we'll put the packing container there. Mix it up. Now we put a little bit of oil on top of the chicken. Okay, good. Mix the chicken a little bit first now. I'll put the lid on for you. Break up the chicken and mix it up. And stir them all around so the oil will go everywhere. Yep, that's it. Toss them, turn them. Is it cold on your hands?
Yeah.
Is it very cold or a little bit cold? Did you wash your hand first?
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, now we put our special veggie chicken salt. It's a mix. It's a mixture of vegetable and salt. You want me to open it for you? Use your hands are slippery now. Okay.
A spoonful.
A spoonful?
Yeah.
Gonna sprinkle it. You want to pick it up and just tip it a little bit like that? Mix it more now. I'll help you. You mix it. Turn them upside down. Yep. Okay, a little bit more. Mix them all around. Gotta flip them over like a pancake, huh? That way the salt will go everywhere. Your hand's getting more and more cold and more sticky.
Yeah.
Any tips? How long do you think you mix it for? About a minute?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a look. Looks like the spice is all over them, or a little bit more. What do you think?
You need some more with this one.
Yeah.
On this side.
Okay. Yeah, you can. Oh, mix it now. You're supposed to sprinkle like that, like salt. If you mix it all up, it'll go all right. Yeah, mix it with the other ones, and all the salt will share around. Oh, that looks better, doesn't it? Are your hands cold?
No.
I get the air fryer already.
I'm doing the baby, so it's not cold for me.
Okay, dip it into the air fryer, into the foil. Spread them around. Make them nice and flat in there.
They'll just stick to each other.
Yep. Spread them all out, that's right. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You like jigsaw puzzles, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. You got them all level nearly?
And yes.
Okay, I'll put it back in. Then you can wash your hands. One sec.
Yeah.
I help you.